Ayan guys. What a lovely place. There's a house tree in there. Overlooking guys. So nice. We are in the 6th floor. Super ganda po dito. We side 3 tayo guys. I know, sorry. We side 2. Yan, highway na po yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong highway yan. Diba? Ah, Tamanton yata. Or I don't know. I have no idea. See, overlooking po talaga. And guys, East B is... okay. Ito na pala yun. The whole is a Park City. Doon po yan. What a nice view. Yan, kids are playing around here. There's the house tree. Gandang tanawin. Xavier? Oh, mamaya mahiya na ako mag-video. Ayan guys. Party. Ayan. Ha? Ayan nga oh, panganay. Nawala yung maliit. Pumalit yung panganay.
Yung maliit sana.
Nandoon sa nanay. Mas easy doon sa kanya yung maliit kaysa malaki. O di, naiwan sa kanya yung maliit, yung baby. Oh. Mas ano nga, magulo eh. Mas gusto ko yung baby lang. Oo. Nag-aaway sila lagi.
Tatlo, di ba?
Yung anak ko yung isa.
Okay.
Oo. Tatlo sila magkapatid. Oo. 3 kids. Very dangerous. Be careful, guys.
Go! I'm running.
Akyat tayo dito sa house tree. Ano guys, super ganda. Uy, nasa highway na tayo. O, diba? Dito tayo sa taas. Tree house. Paggabi maganda dito. Hi, Rito-san! Xavier? Sit with Rito there. Take picture. Okay. Okay, brothers. Okay, go. Ready. Steady. Like this. Push. Wow, okay. Calm down. Huh?
I'm not going for the wild.
Toma.